In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube videos. Now, I'll be showing you how to download your own videos as well as other people's videos as well. To start with, if you want to download any of your own content or videos, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com, log into your account, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. From the menu that comes up, come and click onto YouTube Studio, and once you're in your studio, you want to come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto content. Now this is where you're going to find all your videos. What you want to do is find the video that you want to download, hover over it, and you're going to see some icons come up. What you want to do is click the three dots which says options, and you're going to see an option here to download this video. So once you click that, this is going to download that video onto your computer, and you can just open up your downloads folder to view that video. Now if you want to download other people's content or videos, what you want to do is head over to youtube.com, and once you've done that, what you want to do is find the video that you want to download. So I'm just going to click onto this one here. Now once you've clicked onto the video, if there is an ad that plays, make sure that the ad finishes and the actual content is playing. And once the content is playing, if you come down underneath the video, you should see a download button here. If you don't see the download button, click onto the three dots here, and you're going to see the option to download from here. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open a window like this. And to download other people's videos, you need something called YouTube Premium, which is a monthly big subscription to YouTube, and it allows you to download videos as well as some other features and benefits. In this example, I've got a free trial available, so I'm going to click on to try it for free. And once you've done that and you've got YouTube Premium, what you can do is come back to the video, and we're going to click onto the three dots, click on to download again, and as you can see, that's going to start downloading that video. Now to actually find your downloaded videos, if you come to YouTube, you can see in the bottom left hand corner the progress of the download, and what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side, scroll down a bit to the U section, and you're going to find the download section down here. So give that a click. This way you can come to find all your downloaded videos, and that is how to download YouTube videos. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.